Hello everyone, it's Lindsay, and today I'm unboxing my February kit from the Wild Hare Kits. And if you didn't know, I'm part of their creative team, and so each month I get a kit sent to me, but I still fill out a style profile just like you would if you were requesting a kit. The Wild Hare Kits is a company that hand curates paper crafting kits for you. So you just go in, fill out your profile, and let them know, the types of things that you like, don't like, the types of projects that you're working on, and then they put together a special kit just for you of paper crafting products, and it is awesome. And so this month I requested a Petite kit because I wanted to pair it with some other products that I was ordering, and honestly I need to kind of work through my stash a little bit, so I just got a Petite kit, and I asked that it be things that would go along with the Indigo Hills 2 collection from Pink Fresh Studios. So I had already gone ahead and ordered just some of the elements from that collection, and then requested that my kit kind of match along with that. And so here is what I got for my Petite kit. Yes, so they're just letting me know what they stuck in my kit and how they think it's going to go along with the Indigo Hills collection. So first off, we have a couple of washi tapes, and so there's this really pretty black and white floral. Love the just contrast that will add to all of the other colors in that collection. And then there is this kind of lemony yellow colored skinny washi with a polka dot on it, if you can see that. There's like an itty bitty teeny tiny little polka dot on that washi. So I love that it's a couple different sizes of washi tape. So there are those. And then there are some wood veneer houses and hearts from Freckled Fawn. These are super cute. So I can use those in Bible journaling or my project life or my 6x8 albums that I'm doing. There's a lot of different ways I can be using these wood veneer pieces, and they're not too horribly thick and bulky that I can add them in, a variety of projects. And next up we have some puffy heart stickers from the Chamel Heads in the Cloud collection, and I actually wasn't familiar with this collection, but if I hold up the sticker sheet here, you can see how those colors are very similar to the colors that are in the Indigo Hills collection. So I like that it's something different that I wouldn't have necessarily reached and grabbed for to go along with that collection. And they have just a little bit of dimension to them, and they have like all these different little patterns, roses and flowers and stars and polka dots and grid in those puppy hearts. So those are super cute. There is the Heidi Swapp stamp set. I'm trying to see which collection that is from. Color Fresh. Heidi Swapp Color Fresh, 23 pieces. Let me take this out here. And I am kind of a stamp hoarder, so this is perfect. You've got Find the Beauty in Every Day, Favorite Moment, a little journaling line with a heart here. Big, I love these big quotation marks. That's awesome. Quote of the day, Making Memories Together, Life is Beautiful. Really great pieces for whatever type of memory keeping project. Even traveler's notebooks this would be good for. So love that. That is awesome. Alrighty, and then the cut file for February, I didn't pull it all the way out of here, but it is this like geometric heart, if you can see that. And if you order a Petite kit, you don't get the cut file already cut out for you, you just get access to the digital cut files. And then if you order a deluxe kit, then you do get the cut file already cut out for you, but you can request the cut file to be cut out when you order the Petite kit, so you just need to make a note of that. But any kit that you order, you get access to all the cut files, every single monthly cut file that's been created, so that is awesome. And so one thing I really like is this collection, or this set I wasn't going for, Valentine's Day type products, but these will work if I have any Valentine's Day projects, but they're also, pretty neutral. I can use them in, just my regular memory keeping as well. So next up, there are some 6x6 papers, and these are from the Heidi Swapp collection. I recognize some of the papers here, and those are from the Emerson collection from Heidi Swapp. So you've got this navy and white polka dot. I'd had some of these in 12 by 12s, and so I really love the colors and images in this collection. This black and white stripe. This one's really pretty with a mix of wood grain. That wood grain paper was one of my favorites from a few months ago that I got. This painterly floral paper there. This one here, and this navy blue. And again, are all going to be, you can see, colors that go with the Indigo Hills 2 collection. So that's awesome. And then there's also this 12 by 12 sheet. This is from Pink Paisley, the Whimsical paper 8, and so it's got all of these banners that you can cut apart. Home Hands Heart, absolutely, Simply Wonderful. So you can use these to kind of build your titles or just add little accents to things, or you have this purple gradient on the back, which is really pretty as well. So you can kind of use whichever one you want there. So there is a look at my Petite kit this month from the Wild Hare Kits. I'm super excited to create kind of a variety of projects this month with this kit. And so stay tuned for that. I will have several process videos throughout the month. If you want to grab a kit for yourself, I will link the Wild Hare Kits down below for you guys. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave those down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. Don't forget to check out the description box for links to all the other gals' unboxings this month so you can see what they got, all the other ladies on the creative team, and what their plans are for their projects this month. So until next time, thank you so much. Bye-bye.